To make the jam, we're going to need 3.5 cups of blueberries, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a cup of allulose. There is a trick to make this jam-like and not too runny without using any pectin at all. Over here I have a cup of blueberries. Let's make them into a paste, and into the pot they go. Look at what happens to the blueberry once we make them into a paste. You see how it doesn't pour? That's what's going to make the jam into a jam and not a runny mess. So now we just put everything in a pot. So let's put this. See what I mean? To that, let's add a cup of sweetener, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and the rest of the blueberries, and that's it. Turn the stove to medium, stir, and let it cook until it thickens. Still watery, so we need to keep going. But look at this gorgeous color. So shiny. Okay, so keep going on medium-low and just let it reduce. I would say check every 5 minutes or so. It is ready when you can stick a frozen spoon from the freezer into the jam and run your finger without it going back on itself. So we're ready, and it's going to solidify as it cools. Now you can store it in a jar, but I'm just going to cool it in a bowl so I can show you the texture. Okay, see you in an hour and a half or so. Here's the jam. As you can see, it's definitely not runny anymore. See? Let's put it on a pancake. See, it stays. It's glossy. It's absolutely gorgeous. And if you want it to be a little more runny, to put like syrup on pancakes, you can just warm it up in the microwave for 20 seconds or so, and it's gonna loosen it. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Bye!